Hey y'all, I just wanted to do a quick outfit of the day. Yeah, so my hair is a braid out. It's my first time doing a braid out since I chopped my hair off, since I did my big chop. So I figured I would try it out. And I have a video on that as well. Okay, so that's my hair for today. And then I just have on this peach shirt that I got from Russe. It's V-neck, and then the necklace is from Charlotte Russe. I got it on sale for 99 cents. And then this is the necklace that my mom got me for my birthday last year. And it's just orange, blue, and turquoise, I want to say. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Okay, that's my necklace. And then I just have on some studs. See, some studs. Okay. And then these are my jeans. They're from Charlotte Russe. Those are my jeans. They're from Charlotte Russe. I think they call it Refuge. And then I just have on this tan suede belt. And my shoes are these sandals that I got from Target for $10. Oh, okay. So yeah, that is my outfit of the day. So and my makeup is very neutral. Okay, yeah. So I will talk to you good people later. Peace.
It's me.
What do you have on, Ada? Tell me what you have on.
T-shirt and Aiden.
No, Aiden, talk like a big boy.
T-shirt, shirt, and underskirt, and shorts.
And what else do you have on?
And my sweat.
And what else do you have on?
Flip-flops.
Stop moving.
Yeah.
Turn around.
That's it.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Where'd you get this shirt from?
Aiden.
No.
Mommy.
Where do you think Mommy got it from?
Kroger.
What?
Kroger.
Kroger? No, I got it from Publix. I mean, I got it from the children's place. And your shorts I got from Target, and we got your shoes at Marshall's in Orlando, when we were in Orlando. Let go of the door.
Go.